The 4th of July isn't just about fireworks and barbecues. It's a prime time for summer shopping with some of the biggest sales of the year. Retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, and Amazon are offering incredible discounts on a wide range of products. Walmart's sale includes popular appliances, innovative kitchen gadgets, and more. Best Buy features markdowns on electronics and home appliances, while Amazon offers major price drops on tech gadgets and home essentials. Now is the perfect time to take advantage of these summer savings. Don't miss out on the chance to score unbeatable deals from top retailers. Check out the sales at Walmart, Best Buy, and Amazon to find the best offers and save big this 4th of July. All product links are provided in the description. Number 26. Sleep Number C2 Smart Bed was $699, now $629. The Sleep Number C2 Smart Bed uses adjustable air chambers to offer personalized comfort and support. Number 25. Casper One Mattress was $875, now $695. The Casper One mattress features a medium firm feel with good pressure relief. It's designed for comfort and durability. Number 24. Purple Mattress was $999, now $799. The Purple mattress incorporates patented Purple Grid technology, which provides comfort and support by adapting to your body's shape. This unique material offers excellent pressure relief and airflow. Number 23. On 75-inch 4K Roku TV was $498, now $448. The On 75-inch 4K Roku TV is a large-screen, budget-friendly option with HDR10 support and Dolby Audio. It provides access to Roku's extensive streaming capabilities. Number 22. Roku TV 75-inch Plus Series 4K QLED TV was $999, now $799. The Roku Plus Series 75-inch 4K QLED TV combines HDR color with a smart interface for an excellent viewing experience. Number 21. Hisense 100-inch 76-inch ULED 4K TV was $4,999, now $2,299. The Hisense 100-inch 76-inch ULED TV offers an expansive 100-inch display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision gaming support. It includes Wi-Fi 6E and Google TV OS. Number 20. Ninja Mega Kitchen System was $199, now $149. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System features a 64-ounce food processor bowl, a 72 ounces blending jug, and two 16-ounces single-serve cups. It provides 1,500 watts of power and multiple settings for versatile food preparation. Number 19. Nespresso Vertuo Next was $179, now $149. The Nespresso Vertuo Next is a compact coffee maker that prepares various coffee and espresso drinks. It offers a convenient design and versatile brewing options, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 18. Apple iMac M3 256GB was $1,299, now $1,199. The iMac with M3 processor provides up to twice the functionality of its predecessor. Number 17. Acer Chromebook 516GE was $649, now $448. The Acer Chromebook 516GE is a lightweight, high-functionality laptop suitable for casual gaming and everyday tasks. Number 16. Samsung Galaxy Book 4 was $899, now $599. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 offers a 15.6-inch 1080p display, Core i7 CPU, 16GB RAM, and 512GB SSD. It provides up to 15 hours of battery life. Number 15. Acer Nitro 5 with RTX 4050 was $999, now $899. The Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop includes a 15.6-inch 1080p 144Hz screen, Core i7-12650H CPU, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, and RTX 4050 GPU. Number 14. Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge from $1,349. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge features a 14-inch 2880 by 1800 AMOLED screen and includes a free $150 Best Buy e-gift card with purchase. It is powered by a Snapdragon X Elite CPU with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. Number 13. Carote Non-Stick Pots and Pans Set was $299, now $119. This 21-piece non-stick pots and pans set is eco-friendly and suitable for all cooktops. It includes frying pans, saucepans, sauté pans, and cooking utensils, making it ideal for preparing a variety of meals. The non-stick surface ensures easy cooking and cleaning. Number 12. Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker was $199, now $169. The Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker creates a variety of delicious frozen treats, including ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshakes, and smoothie bowls. It's perfect for homemade desserts, allowing you to customize flavors and ingredients to your liking. Although it requires pre-freezing the base or batter for 24 hours, the results are worth the wait. Number 11. Shark Matrix Self-Empty Robot Vacuum was $499, now $299. This powerful robot vacuum features incredible suction power, matrix clean, and precision home mapping. It effectively pulls trapped debris, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hardwood floors, leaving no mess behind. The robot empties itself into a bagless base after each clean, holding up to 30 days of dirt and debris. Number 10. Dyson V8 Absolute Cordless Vacuum was $469, now $349. The Dyson V8 is a lightweight cordless vacuum that offers a good balance of cleaning power and battery life. With up to 40 minutes of battery life on a full charge, it features 2 cleaning modes and various accessories to tackle different floor types. The movable head on the main cleaning tool makes it easy to clean under furniture and in tight spaces. Number 9. Apple iPad Air 5th Gen was $449, now $399. The iPad Air 5th Gen is powered by Apple's M1 processor, featuring a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, 12MP ultra-wide front camera, and USB-C charging. Number 8. Nolah Original 10-inch Mattress was $649, now $599. The Nolah Original 10-inch Mattress provides durability, pressure relief, and cooling. Number 7. Nectar Mattress was $699, now $349. The Nectar Mattress features 5 layers of memory foam for exceptional comfort and pressure relief. It includes a 365-night trial and a forever warranty, making it a solid investment for a restful night's sleep. Number 6. LG Dual Inverter 10,000 BTU Air Conditioner was $479, now $449. The LG Dual Inverter AC includes a dual inverter compressor for quieter operation and energy efficiency. Number 5. Apple Watch Ultra 2 was $799, now $764. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 features the new S9 SIP processor and a 30% faster GPU, enhancing functionality and graphics. Number 4. Apple Watch 9 GPS 41mm was $399, now $299. The Apple Watch 9 comes with a faster S9 chip and a new 4-core neural engine. Number 3. LG 48-inch B44K OLED TV was $1,499, now $799. LG's B44K OLED TV for 2024 supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos and includes an A8 processor for improved picture quality. Number 2. Speedgoat 5 Women's was $155, now $123. Hoka's Speedgoat 5 trail running shoes are praised for their excellent traction and comfort, making them ideal for rough terrain and long runs. They are now priced at $123, down from $155. Number 1. GE 8000 BTU Smart Air Conditioner was $329, now $294. This smart air conditioner is ideal for modestly sized rooms. It features Wi-Fi compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFT for remote control. The unit includes a 3-speed cooling fan, a remote, and can be managed through the GE Appliances app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product deals and recommendations.